If you find yourself stuck in the monotony of everyday life and feel like your daily routine is getting a bit too mundane, but you still enjoy a good cup of tea, why not shake things up a bit? Try drinking saffron tea every day for a month and see what happens. First up, mood booster. Saffron is renowned for its potential antidepressant properties. It might just elevate your mood and help reduce anxiety, making you feel more relaxed and happier throughout the day. Imagine starting your day with a cup of saffron tea, feeling a sense of calm and relief wash over you. Next, let's talk about antioxidant power. Saffron is packed with antioxidants, which are crucial for fighting free radicals in your body. These antioxidants support overall health and can help protect your cells from damage. Improve digestion? Absolutely. Saffron has properties that can soothe your stomach and promote better digestion, making you feel more comfortable after meals. Imagine enjoying your favorite foods without the usual discomfort, thanks to a daily cup of saffron tea. Boosted libido? Yes, you heard that right. Saffron may enhance sexual desire and satisfaction, adding a little extra spark to your intimate moments. And lastly, let's not forget about skin health. The antioxidants in saffron can contribute to a healthy, glowing complexion. Regular consumption of saffron tea might just give your skin that radiant glow you've always wanted. So, are you ready to start your saffron tea challenge? Give it a try for a month and experience these potential benefits for yourself. But before you start, it's always good to know a bit more about what you're consuming. Saffron has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, and its benefits are well documented. Consider keeping a journal to track your progress. Note any changes in your mood, digestion, skin health, and overall well-being. This can help you see the benefits more clearly. Sharing your experience with friends or family can also be a great way to stay motivated. You might even inspire someone else to join you on this health journey. When buying saffron, make sure to choose high-quality strands. The best saffron is deep red with a slightly sweet aroma. This ensures you're getting the most potent benefits. Preparing saffron tea can be a delightful ritual. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant color and unique fragrance. This can enhance your overall experience. As you sip your saffron tea, take a few minutes to relax and reflect. This can be a wonderful way to practice mindfulness and reduce stress. Over time, you might notice subtle changes in your skin's appearance. The antioxidants in saffron can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy glow. You might also feel more energetic and positive. Saffron's mood-boosting properties can make a noticeable difference in your daily life. So, are you ready to embrace the saffron tea challenge? With its numerous potential benefits, it's a small change that could make a big difference in your life. Give it a try for a month and see how you feel. You might just find that saffron tea becomes a cherished part of your daily routine.